Founded in 2016, the Center for New Economic Studies (CNES) aims to explore the diverse possibilities of cross-sectional research and methods in the scholarship of economics in relation and context with other disciplines of social science. At CNES, students and young researchers are not only exposed to the basic foundations of economic reasoning in thought and its application, but are also encouraged to methodologically experiment in research while incorporating a more ethnographic approach towards an interdisciplinary learning of economics with fields of political science, psychology, history, legal studies, to mention a few.
Definitely been traveling, exploring new places, and collating. Another one has been collating the observations and analysis from the layman conversations to associating them with the concepts or the broader framework.
It was the most exhilarating experience for me because it was the first platform where I got to showcase my opinion, voice my opinion through a paper that I wrote which got published in Nickel and Dime. And I also got to participate in two primary projects through CNES. One of them was where we organized the interdisciplinary workshop where I got to interact with different people from different colleges, which was amazing. And also I got to participate in this project where I had to interview street vendors from markets in Kolkata, which was another experience. So overall, CNES has contributed to personal growth for me, and I've literally grown through the guidance of people, the members of CNES, and I'd like to thank them for giving me this opportunity. So thank you.
I think the most exciting part about this entire venture was the fact that I got to indulge in primary research and data collection, something which I had not done in my prior experiences.
Aspects of the study which we did in the Indo-Bhutan border was how we interacted with people who never even understood our language, whether it be Hindi or English, and we still got our head around the way they were trying to give us information through facial expressions and hand actions, and it was very interesting to interact with them.
In fact, my work with the center gave me an opportunity to understand the interaction of law, politics and economics at the same time, which are often not given to law students during the 5 years of law school.
I think the best thing I learned from this was the construction of a questionnaire. Now I understood the kind of importance that a questionnaire has in your methodology, the backbone kind of a role that it plays in how your research shapes out, because that is a tool that you use for your entire data collection.
One of the biggest takeaways for me from the project has definitely been a new perspective to look at different places, different things, different people. For me, Dharamshala will not be another tourist destination anymore, or my interactions with the domestic workers or street vendors will not be the same henceforth. So yeah.
My favorite initiative was the study on informal markets, where I learned how to conduct ethnographic research for the first time. Apart from that, I also learned various sociological, political, legal and economic aspects which come in day-to-day functioning of an informal market.
One of the biggest challenges that I have faced during the work has been to get people to talk through those normal conversations, like getting them to talk about the things that are required for the study or the subject.
One of the major challenges was that to comprehend and comprehensively put down my research in such a way that it doesn't hinder the life processes or the people or the processes the people over there have been resorting to, because that is their daily bread. And I'm no one to start commenting on such sensitive environments where conflicts, inter-community conflicts once took place. The Center, as a student-led and driven initiative, has evolved under the guidance and the mentorship of Professor Dipanshu Mohan. The Center has a team of over 60 affiliates and 37 core research members from O.P. Jindal University, Ashoka University, Delhi University, Christ University Bangalore, NLU Bangalore, to mention a few. The various initiatives of the Center include CIDS, Conversations in Development Studies, Infosphere, Nickel and Dimed, Interlinked, Samvad, Azad Awaz, and other research clusters and publications. Through this, the Center commits to explore wider and more diverse intersectional possibilities for research in areas within economics while experimenting with methods engaged during a process of research.